Brain Video Analysis, AI-powered AR Dashboard. Model, Deep Neural Network, DNN. Creator, Pradeep K. Suri. Module, Accounts Receivable, AR, Intelligence. Film frames what the video shows. The video displays a rotating dashboard with bar charts representing receivables amount per customer. Line charts showing days outstanding for each customer. Animation flow that highlights each customer one by one. Dark theme UI for modern, professional dashboard feel. Bar chart DNN output purpose. This dashboard is generated as an inference layer output from a DNN model trained on financial ERP data. The model's job was to ingest historical AR data, predict payment delays, visualize high-risk customers, enhance collection strategy decisions. Magnifying glass tilted left element by element breakdown. Element meaning. Blue square bars total receivable amount from each customer in Indian rupee 000s. Red triangle pointed up line markers days since invoice was raised and not yet settled. Direct hit animation highlights each customer turn by turn, focus analysis. Waxing crescent moon dark theme designed for CXO dashboards or boardroom presentations. DNA how the DNN powers the dashboard. Small blue diamond input to the DNN. Invoice date. Payment terms. Past payment behavior. Industry type. Region. Small blue diamond hidden layers. Learn customer payment patterns. Detect outliers or risk patterns. Apply weights for credit scoring logic. Small blue diamond output layer. Predicted days overdue. Recommended credit flag. Dashboard metrics like receivable score. Bluebook real life use case. Use case, AR Manager decision support. Customer D has 390,000 Indian rupees pending with only 20 days outstanding, while customer C has just 210,000 Indian rupees but is 45 days late. The model highlights customer C as higher risk due to a long overdue period. Action. Initiate credit control for C first. Graduation cap educational insight for students. Concept learning outcome. DNN to dashboard see how AI outputs flow into business dashboards. Multimodal output learn how to combine numeric plus temporal outputs. Visualization AI understand how AI becomes explainable through. Thanks for watching.